What if that cheap $10 bottle you're dumping into your tank isn't cleaning your injectors at all? It's slowly wrecking them instead. The stuff that worked great on older cars is now eating seals, clogging nozzles, and turning your fuel system into an expensive nightmare. I've spent months running real-world tests, pouring these products through live engines, dissecting fuel filters, and pulling injectors apart, so you don't have to learn the hard way. Today, I'm exposing the 11 worst offenders on the market, revealing the 5 that actually deliver results, and showing you a 30-second test you can do in your driveway to know if your injectors are already toast. Let's start with the ones you need to avoid right now. Number 11. Marvel Mystery Oil. Pouring Marvel Mystery Oil into your gas tank thinking it'll clean injectors is like hearing a cleaner who only pushes the dirt around. It contains 0P, the heavy-hitting detergent that actually dissolves baked-on carbon. Instead, it's mostly a light lubricant with some basic solvents. Designed back in the 1920s for totally different engines, it worked then as an upper-cylinder lube. Modern direct injection systems run at thousands of psi with tiny precision nozzles. They need chemistry that attacks varnish and carbon, not something that just coats everything. What happens in practice? The lubricants give you a temporary silky spray pattern and you might notice a tiny improvement for a short drive. But the carbon underneath stays put. The rough idle returns, mileage keeps dropping, and you've only delayed the real problem. That false sense of progress is the real danger. Number 10. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Crack open a can of seafoam and that strong smell makes you think it's serious business. But for modern fuel injectors, it falls short. Like many on this list, it has no P. It relies on naphtha and isopropyl alcohol, decent for light surface stuff, but they don't dissolve the hard carbon that actually chokes injectors. At best, they loosen debris that then floats around your system looking for a new place to cause trouble. The oil-based additives are another issue. In cars with CATs and oxygen sensors, burning that extra oil can coat sensors and degrade components, sometimes triggering a check. Number 9. A Bro Injector Cleaner. The main active ingredient here isn't a proven detergent, it's basically number 2 gas oil, a polite way of saying diesel fuel. Diesel was never meant to clean gasoline injectors. It might knock some deposits loose, but it doesn't dissolve them. Those loose chunks become landmines that clog filters, stick injectors, and mess up your air-fuel ratio. You might feel a brief smooth out, then new problems pop up downstream. It also drops octane slightly, which can lead to knock, higher cylinder temps, and long-term wear. The bottle design is another hassle. It spills easily on capless fuel fillers. Number 8. SDP Fuel Injector Cleaner. No P here either. You're mostly getting cheap solvents that wash light grime but leave the stubborn core deposits behind. Those solvents often break carbon into chunks instead of dissolving it. The loose debris travels and partially clogs injector screens and filters, sometimes leaving you with worse misfires or hesitation than before. The short-term smoother idle many people feel is mostly placebo. The real deposits come back fast. There's also risk of leaning out the mixture temporarily, spiking combustion temps and accelerating wear. Number 7. Gum Out All-in-One. When a product claims to fix everything, it usually masters nothing. This one leans on harsh solvents like acetone and heavy alcohols instead of concentrated P. Those aggressive solvents can dry out and crack rubber seals, O-rings, and plastic fuel components. You might not see leaks for weeks, but when they appear, you're looking at dropped fuel pressure and new rough running. It's a classic jack-of-all-trades situation, diluted, less effective, and more likely to cause side issues than a dedicated cleaner. Mechanics avoid multi-purpose bottles for good reason. Number 6. Prestone Fuel System Cleaner. Prestone is legendary for antifreeze, but their fuel cleaner is risky. Heavy on alcohol and mild solvents, light on real P. High alcohol content acts like a drying agent on rubber seals and nylon lines. Over time, that leads to cracks, leaks, and expensive repairs. Without strong detergents, it breaks off big chunks of carbon that can clog filters, nozzles, or even the catalytic converter later. You might get a temporary flush of light debris. Number 5. Royal Purple Max Atomizer. This one actually packs a solid concentration of P. The chemistry is strong and the cleaning potential is real. The big limitation? In gasoline direct injection engines, fuel never washes over the intake valves, so no matter how good the additive, it can't touch the carbon baking onto those valves. Drivers pour it in, expect miracles, and get frustrated when the rough idle stays. The strong detergency can also break heavy deposits loose elsewhere, causing temporary misfires or plug fouling until everything clears. It works well for what it can reach. Number 4. CRC Intake Valve Cleaner. This isn't a fuel tank injector cleaner, it's a spray you apply directly into the intake, but plenty of people confuse the two and expect miracles. In heavily carboned GDI engines, a mild spray can't dissolve thick deposits. It often breaks them into large pieces that then damage cylinder walls, foul plugs, or clog the cat. Spray too much at low RPM and you risk hydrolock and serious engine damage. It has a place for light maintenance when used carefully, but it's no substitute for proper deep cleaning on bad valves. Number 3. Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant. It does exactly what the name says, it lubricates. It is not a cleaner. No meaningful detergents or pee, just heavy petroleum oil that coats parts and reduces friction. Great for older engines with dry guides or mechanical pumps, but it does nothing to restore injector spray patterns or remove carbon. Burning that extra oil creates ash that can foul plugs, sensors. Number 2. Motorcraft Fuel System Cleaner. Factory branded sounds trustworthy, right? It's safe, but it's also weak. Low P content means it shifts light grime but can't tackle baked carbon. Solvents break deposits into chunks that clog screens and components downstream. Same risks of drying seals and creating leaks later. Number 1. Behrman B12 Chem Tool. This is the one your mechanic really hopes you never use in a modern car. Loaded with fast-evaporating aggressive solvents like acetone and toluene, it flashes off before it can work on hard carbon. Instead, it attacks seals, O-rings, and fuel pump parts, leading to leaks and lean conditions. Oxygen sensors and catalytic converters hate it. Spill a drop on paint and the clear coat is gone. It belongs in very old carbureted engines from decades ago. Number 5. Liqui-Moly Fuel System Cleaner. This German brand plays it smart, gentle, yet effective. It dissolves deposits on injector needles, valves, and chambers without stripping protective layers or attacking seals. Safe on cats, turbos, and rubber components. You'll see dirty injectors go from dribbling to proper misting again, which brings back smooth idle, crisp throttle, and lost power. It also leaves behind corrosion protection. They offer specific formulas like Jectron for port injection and Dijectron for the tougher conditions in direct injection engines. Reliable, safe for regular use, and genuinely effective. Number 4. Redline SI1. When things are bad and you need serious firepower, this is the heavy hitter. 30–50% active P concentration, double what most bottles carry. It aggressively dissolves carbon, varnish, and gum throughout the entire fuel system and upper engine. Perfect for GDI engines that clog fast. Expect restored efficiency, smoother idle, better response, and improved economy after one tank. It also includes synthetic lubricants to protect against wear, powerful corrective treatment done right. Number 3. Gumout Regain High Mileage. Over 75,000 miles, this one was built for your car. High concentration P that survives combustion heat, plus corrosion fighters to battle ethanol and water in today's fuel. It cleans injectors, valves, pistons, and chambers while lubricating upper cylinders to reduce wear. Older engines love it. Rough idle fades, hesitation disappears, and mileage often comes roaring back. Safe on all fuel system materials and a great way to give a high-mileage vehicle a new lease on life. Number 2. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. This is what dealership technicians actually reach for when they need real results without tearing the engine apart. Extremely concentrated P that dissolves heavy baked-on deposits across the entire upper engine. Power returns, idle smooths out, and economy improves noticeably in a single tank. Safe on sensors, cats, and seals when used as directed. Yes, it costs more, but the professional-grade performance justifies it when you have serious buildup. Number 1. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. The gold standard, Chevron invented P and their formula is still the benchmark. High thermally stable concentration that dissolves stubborn deposits in injectors, chambers, and valves without leaving residue. GM and other manufacturers reference Techron in service bulletins for clogged injector issues. Independent tests and teardowns consistently prove it works. Safe on every component, trusted by pros, and the one bottle I confidently recommend as the best all-around choice. The 30-second test that tells you if your injectors are already past saving. Pop the hood with the engine idling. Grab a long screwdriver and press the metal tip firmly against the body of each fuel injector. Put your ear to the handle, it acts like a stethoscope. Crisp, rapid clicking, that injector is firing properly. Silence or weak muffled sound, it's either electrically dead, mechanically stuck, or so clogged that no bottle will fix it. Time for replacement. Intermittent clicking means it's failing and on borrowed time. Compare all injectors, they should sound the same. Any outlier is your troublemaker. Now you know exactly which bottle to buy. But what about the carbon that tank additives can't reach on intake valves? The Japanese have a clever no-disassembly trick that cleans the entire system beautifully. Click the link below and I'll show you exactly how it works. Drop a comment with your car's make, model, and mileage. I read every one and love helping you pick the right cleaner for your specific situation. If this saved you money or headaches, smash that like button, share it with a fellow gearhead, and subscribe for more no BS car maintenance that actually works. See you in the next one. Keep your engine happy out there.